Abdali Grammar School. The Science Factor. Lesson Environment. Chapter number 5. Lecture number 8. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Natural resources. Okay students, so our next topic is natural resources. Do you know about natural resources? Well, natural resources are things that grow or are created naturally without human help. What are natural resources? Natural resources are things that grow or are created naturally without human help. How natural resources are created? Natural resources are created or grow naturally without human help. Meaning of resource. The word resource means something that can be used. That can be used. What is the meaning of resource? Repeat it with me. The word resource means something that can be used. Only natural resources that are useful to humans can be called natural resources. So, here is a question time. Do all living things that are present on earth are natural resources? No, not all things are natural resources. Only natural things that are useful to humans can be called natural resources. Examples. Here are some examples of natural resources that are useful for humans. First is trees and plants. Second is water. Third is oil. Fourth is gas. Fifth is coal. Sixth is gold. Seventh is salt. Eighth is sand. Ninth is wind energy. And 10th is solar energy. Which natural resources are useful for humans? Trees and plants, water, oil, gas, coal, gold, salt, sand, wind energy, and solar energy. Now, we will discuss about the uses of these natural resources. First is trees and plants. Trees and plants are useful for us in many ways. Here are some uses of trees and plants. We use trees and plants for making paper. We also use them for making houses. Trees and plants also give us fruits. How trees and plants are useful for us? They are useful for us because they are used for making paper, to build houses, and also they give us fruits. Water. Second natural resource is water. Water is a very important natural resource. We cannot survive without water. Humans and animals use water for drinking because they can survive by drinking water. Plants use water to make their food. Okay, question time. Why do humans and animals need water? Humans and animals need water to live and to survive. Repeat it with me. Humans and animals need water to live and to survive. Humans and animals need water to live and to survive. So here is the question again. Why do plants need water? Repeat your answer with me. Plants need water to make their food. Plants need water to make their food. Well done. Oil. Oil is also a natural resource. Students, do you know where do we get oil from? Let's think. Is it difficult? Let me tell you. Well, we get oil from plants or from the seeds of plants. Repeating my question again. Where do we get oil from? We get oil from plants or from the seeds of plants. Now you are thinking that why do we use oils? Am I right? Are you thinking the same? Well, we all know its use. Mainly, we use oil for cooking. Repeat it with me. We use oil for cooking. Gas. Gas is a natural resource as well. Have you ever seen the flame of stove? I am sure that you have seen it in your kitchen. You can see the flame burning in stove because of gas. So, we use gas for cooking food. And we use gas for boiling the water. Why do we use gas? We use gas for cooking food and for boiling water. Coal. Coal is also a natural resource. It is black in color. The main use of coal is that we use coal to generate electricity. Why do we use coal? Repeat it with me. We use coal to generate electricity. We use coal to generate electricity. Well done. Gold and silver. Gold and silver are also natural resources. And you definitely have seen them. But how did you see them? It seems interesting to know. Well, we use gold for making jewelry. We also use gold to fill the cavities of our teeth. How gold is useful for us? Repeat it with me. We use gold for making jewelry and for filling the cavities of teeth. Similarly, we use silver for making jewelry. for making coins and for making pots. What are the uses of silver? Repeat it with me. We use silver for making jewelry, coins and pots. Well done. Salt. Oh, we all know about salt. It is very well known to all of us. It is present in our homes. Yes, salt is a natural resource and we use it to enhance the flavor of our food. Why do we use salt? We use salt to enhance the flavor of our food. Repeating again, we use salt to enhance the flavor of our food. Sand. Sand is also a natural resource. We use sand for the construction of buildings. Where do we use sand? Repeat it with me. We use sand for the construction of buildings. Very good. Wind power. Wind power means the power of wind. That means we use wind for different works. Do you know where do we use wind energy? Well, let me tell you. We use wind energy for wind sports like parachutes. And we also use wind to generate electricity. Repeating again. We use wind power for wind sports like parachute. And we also use wind to generate electricity. Solar energy. Last natural resource is solar energy. Solar energy means the energy that we get from the sun. We use solar energy to generate electricity from solar panels. We use solar energy to dry our clothes. And plants use solar energy for the process of photosynthesis. Why do we use solar energy? We use solar energy to generate electricity from solar panels. We use solar energy to dry our clothes. And plants use solar energy for the process of photosynthesis. Well done.